Welcome to this Cadline video showing you how to manage user security within DynamicAIM. User security is only available for admin users, so let's log into DynamicAIM using our Cadline admin account. Once logged in the Users tab we can see all the system users. At the top we show the license details, where we can see we've only used 3 out of the 5 available licenses. Firstly, let's update the current password for the test user by typing their new password and then retyping to confirm the change. Let's press the red button at the top to commit the changes. Next, in the sites list, we can choose to deselect sites the user doesn't need access to. This example will deselect all the sites apart from Gatwick. Again, let's press the red save icon to save the changes. Let's now test this change by signing out and then logging in as a test user, remembering to use the newly updated password for our test user. Once logged in as a test user, firstly see the admin tools such as Users tab is no longer available and we only have one site. If we choose a remaining Gatwick site and then choose an associated site building, the user still has access to view the building documents. However, notice there's no document level or folder level controls. So let's sign out again and then re-log in as a Cadline admin user. Once logged in, if we choose the users list again, let's scroll down and edit the test user once more. Firstly, in the tools list we can choose to tick and untick the few tools that the read-only user has. In addition, we can also change the license type. This time let's change it from read-only to read-write. Once we press the red save button at the top of the list, we can see the license distribution has changed and we now have a read-write user. And if we return to the test user, we can see they now have access to many more tools. Again, we can choose to tick and hide any of those tools as needed, and to commit those final changes, press the red save button. Let's do a final check of the test user by signing out and then logging in as a test user one final time. Once a test user logs in and we choose their available site and then we navigate to building level, if we open up a folder, for example the 360 HD view folder, the test user now has document level tools shown on the left hand side and folder level tools shown on the right hand side.